how to buy DAR Open Network token. So this token came under the symbol of D. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is referral codes down in description and get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this is the X account. Before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you will find it there, as you can see. So to be able to buy this token, if you head over to this little arrow, you will see a token address under the two networks, the Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain. So copy the token address from here and open your wallet. For this, I will use the Bitget wallet. Log into your account first. Now, after that, what you need to do, select the Ethereum as a network here and click on this plus icon. After that, paste the token address here, and as you can see, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your token that you just added. As you can see, this is now click on it. After that, what you need to do, click on swap, switch from here, and from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. So as you can see, no corresponding liquidity pool, please select a different token. So it seems that this token it's not going to be able to buy it on the wallet, and we can try this exchange platform. So you can see it's available on Binance, on Coinbase, on Bitget, on MEXC, on Gate.io. So if you select one of these, for example MEXC, if you click on this pair, so make sure to log into your account. If you don't have an account on MEXC, you can check the description to click on that referral code if you want to create an account and fund your account with USDT to be able to buy this token. So I will just copy this link and open it on my browser. Now, after that, what you need to do, as you can see, you can now buy this token from here. So just type how much you want to buy with your USDT and click on buy to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy DAR Open Network token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.